Hey, what's up? It's 3:05 in the morning. Yeah, as you can see, my friend's here. You never seen him before. His name's Hunter. So yeah, we're really kind of tired. I'm waking him up.
Sheep's 8.
And I'm gonna be buying three airsoft guns. And I will be unboxing them. And Hunter said he's might be coming tomorrow. We might make a video, maybe. I don't know. Maybe later.
I'm buying this one. Totally.
What is it? How much is it?
I don't know. What does it tell you?
Well, he's looking at airsoft. After I've been telling him about airsoft a lot, he said, "I'll go check it out," and because I think he might like it. So I have no subscribers right now, and I need to raise them up. I'm gonna try to get 50 here, please. So my friends view it. What? $250? 250? The gun that he wants is $250.
Rip off.
Well, hey, does it have metal in it?
Well, I don't know.
Well, how much shells does it come with?
One sec, I lost it.
Well, I might actually buy a new camera sometime.
New camera? What for?
Well, so I can record better videos. Well, so another thing that also I want to get a shout out to Extras. He's awesome. I watch his videos once in a while. Also, this is one. I like Airsoft's videos more than Airsoft GI's because, well, I like Airsoft a little bit better because I don't know. Do you like Airsoft GI or Airsoft Airsplat?
Airsplat?
Yeah. You happy?
Everybody shuffling.
Are you happy you're on YouTube?
What?
Happy you're on YouTube?
I'm on YouTube.
Are you happy though?
Yeah.
I know you're so happy. I know you are.
No, I'm happy.
I know. You're so happy.
Everyone is shuffling.
You're the most happiest person ever.
So, is there something wrong with shotguns?
Yes there is.
What's wrong? Your father just gonna start looking at pistols?
And also, he has a habit of... What is that? He has a habit of singing. Are you lip singing? It does not sound like you. I hear you. I know you're singing.
That's not me. I don't know what that is.
Yeah. If you guys know this video, it's called the vegan fried chicken recipe. Yeah, he has a habit. He has a habit of telling recipes.
I like to move it. Mix the sugar with the chicken breast.
Also, I want to raise up the subscribers. People have been viewing my videos. So far, it's like 50 some views of Tristan dancing. That is a really big hit. We are just having kind of fun right here. It's not really supposed to do this.
Hey, my sweet bees, it's the sweetest vegan here. Today on the show, we'll be
What
making vegan
the?
southern fried chicken. I love fried chicken growing up. It is like entrenched in my soul.
Okay.
So today on the show, we'll be fixing
Who is that?
Southern girl craving.
is like a person right in my kitchen.
We're gonna start this recipe
I'll be
by
back.
heating up some canola oil over medium-high heat.
Oh my gosh, she's in my closet.
And then in a shallow bowl or
I like
pan, I'm
this
just gonna
right
add
here.
my all-purpose flour and some salt-free
Let me see.
seasoning blend. I'm using salt-free because it's already enough fat in fried chicken, our mock chicken from the oil, and you have enough salt in the marinated mock chicken already. Then I'm
Yeah,
gonna
she's
add
cooking me chicken in my closet.
for some extra
Full
flavor.
Metal
Then next
slide.
That
I'm
is
gonna
awesome.
mix up my wet ingredients. I'm adding
Full Metal slide.
mustard to a
You should
bowl
buy that
and then
Full Metal
diluting
pistol.
that with water. I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
give
buy that
that a
one too.
good stir until it is all dissolved, and then I'm
Find
gonna
it and
add
like
in
scroll
some of
through 'em.
that flour mixture that we just put in the
You have
other
to scroll
pan
through 'em.
into this to kind of
I don't
thicken it
know who
up.
that
Have you
person
all
who's
ever
talking.
made chicken
It's like
and dredged
freaking
it in egg first?
cooking recipes in my
This
closet.
mixture is kind of like. Then
It's
back to
called
my flour
the
mixture.
vegan
I didn't
fried
want to
chicken
add any
recipe.
baking powder
Yeah.
to the egg-like mixture, but I'm gonna add it in now. For our mock chicken, I'm using Guardian chicken breast. You don't have to use the
Full
Tuscan
Metal
breast. You
construction.
know, this was just all my Whole Foods had at the time.
Yeah,
And
my
it's
friend's
just
looking at
some
airsoft
marinara on the
because
side.
she wants to get
Store
into
that,
it.
save that for
So,
some pasta on a later date.
and please check out Airsplat.
So here we go. We're gonna dip it.
Check out their
into
channel.
our
They're awesome.
mustard, egg
They
yolk,
have free
white
shipping, just like
dressing,
any other
and then
airsoft.
we're going to dip
But
our chicken breast
they have a
into the
pistol, a spring
flour.
pistol for
You wanna
like
make sure that it is fully
less than $20,
covered because
like
this is where your
somewhere around like
crispy,
50 or
crunchy
60.
crust
A
is gonna
full
come
metal
from
spring
that I
pistol.
love
Full
so
Metal
much
I'm gonna
from
have to
fried
get.
chicken. So make sure it is fully covered,
Here,
not
let
too
me
much
see it.
excess, but you want it to be fully coated.
$13.
And then into the fryer it goes. This is such an exciting project for me. I honestly have not been in the South or even had fried chicken really since I've been vegan, of course, because it's meat, but I haven't had
Here it is.
mock fried chicken
It's for
either, just because
$17.99.
I don't eat at that many vegan
Here, I'll show you
restaurants. So
guys.
this is an excellent thing for me to do for myself at home. And I was
Right
just
there.
amazed that the crust got this crispy. That is my favorite part about
Still,
fried
that
chicken.
girl's really
And
annoying
honestly,
on the
I
TV.
don't crave like meat anymore, so I don't eat that much tofu or
I want to do a
like
dance video.
faux meat. But just to have
Do
that
you want to
crispy,
dance?
crunchy,
Yeah, I do.
fried
See,
crust
Full
just
Metal
made my dreams come
has
true.
beast.
That's it for today,
Wait.
guys.
Okay.
Bye.
Oh my god, she's done with my chicken recipe. Go check in the closet and give me some fried chicken.
And if you've missed some of my latest videos, you can click the left of the screen to see how to make buttermilk biscuits and the right of the
Oh my
screen to
god.
see how to make vegan white
My
sausage
God,
crust.
she's freaking cooking fried chicken.
You're getting one for $17.99.
I might. Yeah. Well, thanks. I will be right back. I'm gonna go eat some fried chicken. Yum. That was good. Hey, Hunter?
Yeah.
This is one of the longest videos ever.
This is one of the longest one you've ever done.
Yeah. Well, me and my friend Hunter were talking about airsoft. It is now 3:13 in the morning. When he's gonna buy an airsoft gun, he's gonna start with a pistol. And on my birthday, if he has the airsoft gun, we're gonna be shooting some airsoft guns. And also, do you want to do a review on it? I'll do a review for it.
How do you do that?
I can post a video on YouTube, say what the gun is called, and review.
I'm looking on Walmart to see what they have.
Let me see.
Can you search Walmart?
I don't know. Why would I search stupid Walmart?
To see what kind of flipping flippers they have.
I'll search at Walmart. Walmart. Yeah. Walmart. Save money. Live better.
Yeah, do that.
Slash
I want to see
airsoft guns.
Well, let's see what they got.
One. OMG. It won't work.
Joke.
Walmart sucks sometimes, but they're really good. But I hate their airsoft. Their airsoft guns are okay, but
Well, first buy.
yeah, for a first buy, I bought my first airsoft gun right there. And also, what else? Do you want to add anything, Hunter?
Yeah, 1 second, just gotta get it.
I'll get you. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Okay, I'm ready.
What are you doing?
Hey, I'm ready. Airsoft scarred.
Be quiet.
Ready? Turn back to my video. Run. Ready?
Oh my god, you scaring the crap out of me. Turn that off. You're scaring the crap out of me. I think my cat's gonna be scared soon. My cat's coming. Prepare to get eaten by my cat, Hunter. Prepare to get eaten by my cat.
Rappy.
Prepare to get eaten by my cat that screams.
Hey, I want to see one of your friends' videos.
Can you shut up?
Can I see your other videos though?
My cat screams.
Your cat is a screamer.
A cat
Okay.
scream.
Vegan custards. Vegan custard.
Oh my god, this cat's screaming. He's gonna hate my... What are you doing to my cat? Hunter, what are you doing to my cat? What are you doing to my cat? What are you doing to my cat? What did you do to my cat? What did you do to my cat? What did you do to my cat? Like literally, what did you do to my cat? What did you do to my cat?
Try to think about what pistol I'm gonna
His blood! So yeah, while I go fetch another cat, this was the screaming cat. The screaming cat when he is awoken. Okay, I was wondering.